Hi, welcome to a video of a simple one-layer card for Trinity stamps. Today I'm going to use Trinity Stamps Succulent Banner. It has cute little sentiments and an adorable succulent conglomerate. Here's the corresponding die. I love to do one-layer cards because I tend to send a lot of cards in the mail. So here I'm just pulling out the stamp that I want to use and the sentiment, the hello sentiment. I'm just keeping it very simple today. So I'm going to get my Tim Holtz stamp positioner in place. And I love to use a stamp positioner because it just makes stamping so much easier. If you don't transfer all the ink the first time, no problem. You can do it, press it again, and usually it'll transfer everything. So here I'm going to ink up the stamp with a Copic marker friendly ink, black ink. There are several out on the market. And I'm going to push pretty hard. And as you'll see in a moment, I didn't quite push hard enough because there's still an area that didn't transfer the ink. So I'm just going to transfer that small portion. And this is good enough to use. So now I'm going to take the die and position it over the stamped image and use my Big Shot and cut it out. And you'll see me using a lot of techniques that Jennifer McGuire uses. I have, over the years, watched a lot of her videos and also just gotten supplies that she has used that I have found work well as well. So you'll see me using a lot of techniques that she has shown. So there I just stamped the hello sentiment, and I'm going to speed things up now. I'm taping everything down first, and then I'm going to Copic color, so you don't watch me Copic coloring for 15 minutes. I'm going to speed up the video, and I'll play a little music. Now I'm adding some specialty media, some glitter pen. I also added a little white acrylic, and I'm going to finish it off with some Nuvo drops. Thanks for watching today.